Hello, good morning. How are you doing today? Excellent. My name is Miss Moreno. I have the pleasure to meet with you today and teach this English class. So, welcome to this class. Thank you so much for being on time today. First, since the 2024 just started, let's think about some new resolutions for the 2024. Sometimes people couldn't finish a goal the previous year, or they want to learn new things. So they say, well, for the next year, in this case 2024, let's make a new resolution like lose weight, manage debt, save money, find a better job, improve themselves. In my case, for this 2024, I would like to increase my time working out. It's something that I really want to increase for this year. So I invite you to share with me a new resolution, something that you really want to succeed, something that you want to learn or to improve, something that probably you couldn't finish last year. Thank you so much for sharing that. Definitely your resolution that you shared with me is very important. Learning more English, that's so awesome. I'm sure that while you keep participating, keep working hard, you're at the end of the year, you will succeed and you will feel accomplished. Thank you so much. Now let's keep going with the topic for the lesson, with the lesson today. Today we are going to talk about movies, and we are going to identify vocabulary related to movies and genres. We're going to describe plots of movies and their characters, and also we are going to create new movies stories. So that's what I want to see in this lesson. First, we are going to watch a video. It's a 2-minute video, and then you are going to be able to listen vocabulary. So while you watch the video, I want you to pay attention in those words that you might know now, and also pay attention to those words that you don't know, that are very new to you. Great. Well, can you share with me those words that you know and those words that you didn't know? Thank you so much for sharing. Yes, I like all the words that you mentioned. The video also gave us some explanation of the different genres of movies. And I remember that it says that there are some kind of movies that make us laugh. Do you remember the name of that genre? Yeah, right. Yes. It also mentioned there are some movies that make us feel emotional. Yeah, the drama. So now while we have mentioned some genres of movies, which one is your favorite one? And why is it your favorite? Thank you. Yes, yeah, that's what you are saying is very true. It's right. Well, now I'm going to show you 3 different images where those images do not have a title, but it has some clues that can help us to realize which is the movie even if we haven't watched it. Do you know the title of those movies? Which one is your favorite? Have you seen them? Now that you mentioned about the Avengers, and in the image we can see the characters, which is your favorite character and why? Yeah, yes, yeah. is a very famous character in that movie. Thanks for sharing. Now, next slide is going to show us 3 different posters of movies. These ones are going to have a title. So let's see if you have seen them. Can you read the titles? Thank you for reading the titles. Yeah, Titanic, Fast and Furious, and Jumanji. Have you seen all of them? Which one is your favorite? What are the genres? Do you remember the characters? Well, my favorite one from these 3 is Titanic. I love this movie. The only thing that I don't like the movie is that I don't like the end. I don't know if that happened to you, but sometimes when we watch a movie we expected more, but at the end we are upset about the end. So that happened to me with Titanic. It's my favorite. However, I feel that at the end, Jack, which is the main character, he should survive. So if I was a director of that movie, I would choose to save Jack's life. I would include perhaps a superhero or something, a miracle could happen there, that Jack could stay with Rose at the end of the movie and be alive and be happy. So next part, that what are you going to do is to think in a movie that perhaps you watch it but you did not like the end, and you would like to change the story. You would like to change the end, or add a new scene, create new characters. Let's be creative in this new movie. Thank you so much for sharing your idea. Yes, definitely that story changed a lot with your ideas. Thank you so much. Well, now that we acted as directors, let's play a game. Let's have more fun. And this game is called 21 questions. And it has 3 categories, but at this time, since we're talking about movies, let's talk about movies. What you have to do is to ask me 21 questions, but first I have to think about a movie. I'm gonna think a movie and I'm gonna tell you, but you have to find out by asking. But these questions only can be answered by saying yes or no. I cannot give you more details. So, for example, you could ask, is this movie a drama movie? Does this movie have superheroes? So you keep going, and according to my answer, you keep asking the questions. So let me think the movie, and then you can start asking me the 20 questions. Thank you so much for asking the question. It was so fun, and you did a very good job. You found out which one was the movie. So let's see what we have learned so far today. We have learned about vocabulary related to movies, and describing characters, creating new plots and new endings in stories. That's awesome. And last thing, just to finish, to have more fun, we are going to answer one of these random questions. You want to choose one of the questions, and then you answer the question. You read the question and you answer. You want to take some seconds to think about it? That's okay. Well, if you're ready, you read it and explain me why. Thank you so much. It has been a wonderful time with you today, and I hope you can, next time you have the opportunity to talk with somebody, you could share everything that you know about movies and different genres and scary characters, and have a good time with your friends. Goodbye.